Understanding HVAC Delta T is key to making sure your air conditioning is working right and keeping your home comfy without wasting energy. So, the Delta T is basically the difference between the air temperature going into your air conditioner and the air coming out after it's cooled. You want to see about an 18 to 21 degree Fahrenheit drop for most systems, especially if your setup includes a thermostatic expansion valve at the indoor coil and your outdoor unit is running smoothly. If it's way less than that, your system might be struggling to cool properly, which could mean dirty coils, low refrigerant, or even a clogged filter. On the flip side, if the Delta T is way higher than 21 degrees, it could be a sign your airflow is restricted or the system is overcharged, which is just as bad. One easy thing you can do is check and replace filters regularly. This keeps air flowing freely and helps maintain the right Delta T. Also, make sure your outdoor unit is clean and free of debris because any blockage can mess with how well it cools. If you're noticing weird temps, it's smart to call in a pro for a quick inspection before things get worse. Keeping an eye on your Delta T can save you money on energy bills and avoid big repair costs down the road. One of the biggest mistakes people make with HVAC Delta T is ignoring airflow issues. Poor airflow leads to wrong temperature differences and makes your system work harder. Fix this by cleaning or changing filters and checking vents for blockages. Another common problem is neglecting regular maintenance on the outdoor unit. Dirty coils or debris can seriously mess up cooling efficiency, so clean those units regularly. Lastly, a lot of folks overlook refrigerant levels. Low refrigerant causes low Delta T and poor cooling, and the fix here is calling an expert to check and recharge it properly without overdoing it. BigHomeProjects.com hooks homeowners up with trusted local contractors, so you don't waste time searching or dealing with sketchy folks. It also helps contractors find new customers easily, making it a win-win for everyone working on home improvements.